Hello guys! So second day po natin dito sa Malaysia. Yan.
We're in?
Andito po tayo sa Mama's Hotel. Magbe-breakfast. Pre-breakfast po ito. Kasali na ito sa package na binayaran. Unlike sa Singapore, wala pong breakfast doon. Lahat bayad. So yeah, mas maganda dito kasi may pre-breakfast. Doon po sabay na eh. Sabay ang lunch at breakfast namin. Pero grabe naman. Grabe ang pagkain. Kaya, let's try it.
Sige nga, try mo nga.
Start ko guys ah. Yung butter.
May tabingi ba? Tabingi no? Carry lang.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's it, guys.
Tapos na? Akala ko tatry mo lahat ng ano.
Ay, tatry ko ba ang lahat?
Food review.
Sige.
Gusto mo talaga mag-chabag, so pwede naman, mag-chaka.
Ikaw na lang kita ng coffee mamaya.
Kuha ka na rin ng...
Huwag mo lang inumin, be.
Hindi ko naman iinumin.
Ay, pwede yung lagyan ng ano.
Ang sarap ng sausage nila. Nagustuhan ko.
Lasa. Sausage.
Kasi, sa Pilipinas, may mga sausage na ayoko talaga.
Anong aso sausage yun?
Oop. Censored.
Ano ba sa... Maliliit na lang, anong yan? Baka ano lang yan, yung sa lata na ano?
Hindi. Yun yung ayaw ko eh.
Yun na yan. Kain ito.
Gusto ko na saan yung pansit nila.
May goring.
Ano goring?
Yeah. Goring. Ano, James?
Ang hangga.
Masarap din yung pansit natin.
Pansit ba to?
Iba ang pansit ng Pinas kaysa sa pansit nila. Medyo iba yung lasa. Ha? Parang
Tapang kasi ng spices nila.
iba yung noodles natin sa atin.
Yeah. Sarap po. Yung gulay nila. Parang sunang din naman sa Pilipinas siguro ito.
Ano to? Tapsoy. Hindi ko alam, masarap pag gusto ko yung master. Yung tapsoy. Yung sarap sobra.
Uwi ka muna kaya po. Tapos pagluto mo kami ng tapsoy.
Lahat ng luto alam na.
Mami, mag-ano na lang tayo deal. Eh, pagluto mo kami ng chapsoy, mamasahihin din kita.
Mahinap na.
Opo.
Yan, sarap ng chicken.
So, direct mo na lahat.
Oo.
Sarap. Kahit yung rice nila, guys. Thank you, sir.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you. Meet our tour guide. His name is
Feeling ko, pag
Adam.
yung ako doon, marami pang laman. Kanin yung ano ko.
May mga nakasingit pa.
Yung bibig ko.
Oo. Braces F. Pag naka-braces ka, expect mo lang na may mga pinapinap yan.
Zoom na lang natin mamaya. Tingnan natin.
Can you take another picture of us? I think my mouth is full. Wow!
Ay, wala tingnan.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Yeah? Okay na ba? That's it. That's it.
Hindi kompleto yung isang araw ko wala yung coffee.
Coffee. Ikaw bagang coffee ko, James. Diba?
Sa umaga.
Pampagising sa hating gabi. Pag nagla-live, diba?
Ay, oo.
Pag antok na ako, tapos pag tumatawag ka, right? Right.
Ano, may nag-aaral ng morning.
Okay. And also you can see many highways, yeah? Highways that link from
Ganda, no?
one point to another point within these villages at the side of Kuala Lumpur. So these villages or residents, also you can see some apartments or condominiums. It's a mixture. It's a mixture of many races, many status within KL. Okay, we live among few races. Yeah, the majority are Malaysians. So we are
Start na po.
going to pass by the road whereby it leads to the highway later on. Okay, the highway, we have many highways that connect from one point to another point, from one state to another state, from one city to another city. So there are several highways whereby toll charges are applied. Okay, for example, like yesterday, the highway is very congested due to festive season. Christmas is tomorrow, so this week will be a school holiday for Malaysia for 1 week. So a lot of parents and families take the opportunity to go back to their homes, to their hometowns, to visit their families. So, and also taking advantage of the school holidays to go for vacations. Okay, schools. Talking about schools in Malaysia, children will start schooling in schools from the age of 7. Okay, they start nursery or kindergarten at the age of 4, 5, and 6. So at the age of 7, okay, it's compulsory for all Malaysian citizens to send their child to government school. Okay, the fee to send a child to school is not that expensive. Okay, we call it the primary schools. There are almost all the states in Malaysia. We have universities, and also those local government universities. See, is they are very focused in education. Okay, so you can see left and right, we are leaving Kuala Lumpur. If you look at your left, you can see the Petronas Twin Towers, the KL Tower, and also the PNB Merdeka Tower. So we are leaving Kuala Lumpur in Pahang. So Pahang is a state. Some people call it province, So it's the same, province and states. So we have 14 states in Malaysia.
Punta tayo na.
Okay. 12 in the peninsula, another 2 in Borneo. That is Sabah and Sarawak. Whereby Sabah is nearest to
Basta doon na yun.
Okay. So the weather in Malaysia is tropical, similar to Philippines. I think in terms of the food, the fruits, and the culture, I think there are similarities. Okay. That we in Malaysia we have this tropical season, whereby now at the end of the year we normally have wet weather. So I believe yesterday night was raining quite heavy. Then it stops after that. So I hope everybody probably have the chance to explore nearby the hotel. Okay, what are we going to do in Genting later on? So we can actually walk around Genting. Maybe photography. Okay, you take pictures there. Okay, then you can have you can shop over there also. But I would advise you, when you are done in Genting, because there's a ticket whereby you can come down on your own. Okay, just take the cable car, go down to GPO. GPO stands for Genting Premium Outlets, where they have outlets where sells branded items at a very reasonable price. Okay, it's similar to Mitsui also. Mitsui in KLIA. Okay, it's same with like JPO in Johor.
Kuala Lumpur for a while.
Later on, we Genting Highlands. Genting Highlands actually initially was a hill, a jungle, a hill here. Then I will lead everybody to the fourth floor. Yeah. Okay. Okay, make sure you have your belongings with you, yeah? All your valuables.
Guys, nandito tayo sa Tagaytay ng Malaysia. Tagaytay ng Malaysia.
Ano pala to guys? Genting, Highlands. Nasa 1.8 kilometers all cabin of the wow.
Tulog po kasi ako, guys. Nagsalita pala, be. Perks of, being, gising. Wow.
May dog. Ay, pata si kasama natin yung Grabe na ba yun?
Apo, mamaya. Wow. Hi, handsome.
Ay.
Ah.
Hey, beautiful.
Pag-end ko kasi, guys, tsaka siya nagsalita. So, pinaulit ko. Ay, ang ganda nun. No. Bakit na tayo, guys, ng 4th floor. Feeling ko,
My bad.
saan nakuha yun dito? Bakit kasi sa akin ka nakatingin? Charis! Oh, wow! Look! It's beautiful. Yeah. Awana Sky Center. Alin?
Cable car.
Cable car. Oh! Di ba dito tayo dumaan?
Ay,
Oo, busog pa ako.
Bumaba tayo? Kanina?
Di ba umakyat tayo?
Hindi, bumaba tayo. Oo, bumaba tayo. Hindi, nakita lang
Ah,
siguro
doon.
yung food court.
Yung pag-mimit, oo, siguro.
Tapos sa taas.
So, guys, traumatized na si ate ng grad entrance. Kala mo talaga ikaw yung naging spotlight na. Ako, diba? Ako yung inano. Ito turo ka sana kita eh.
Ano ba umulan? Tanga ako kumakanta, umulan na. Ako sa kumakanta.
Pabuka pa lang yung bibig.
Tatlo, kayong dalawa yung may talent. Ako may naturo niyo. Ayos kayo. Ayos!
Kantay nun sa bus yung kinanta natin sa Perch Tower. Yung awawa. Ay, meow, 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 meow. Ay. Meow, 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 meow. Don't lose that ticket daw, guys.
Just scan. Once you scan, just stay here. the other one. Okay? If you lost the ticket up there, you can still purchase the ticket up there at 9 ringgit. One way coming down. Okay? When you're up there, it's up to you how long you want to be at the thing. Okay? When you want to come down to GPO, use the elevator, come down. Going to GPO, you can either use the second floor or the first floor bridge that I showed you just now, right? Then we will gather together at the first counter. At one area.
Charis. Thank you, sir. We already have our ticket.
Po. Ang tawag dito? Narangay.
Ha? Mauler.
Joke pa yun. Joke ka? Korte mo yan.
Corny pala. We're here inside. Wow! Sana kayang tatlo dyan, be. Charis.
Ikaw una. Ikaw una.
Hindi ba tutulan? Sana kasi dyan ang tatlo. Ay guys, sasakay guys. Wow. Wowers. Excited? Uh-huh.
Sabi dito. Oo. Panis.
Panis. Umaga pa lang panis.
Grabe.
Ate Jinky. Wala, hindi niya naririnig. Ina-ino-cry ko siya.
May sinasabi. May sinasabi si Medit.
Kaya lang mo marunong mag-record. James. Jamdith. Para ni Ateng.
Hindi niya narinig.
Ano ba?
Sabi nga, kung panis daw, tapos sabi ni Medit, kumaga pa lang daw, panis na.
Boom, panis. Panis. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng tatlo lang.
Hindi.
Favorite ka na kaya na doon.
Masyado ka ng favorite. Nagsama ang dalawang mahilig mga cry. Ay, nako.
Oh, no camera.
May
No camera.
sorry.
No, no photos or selfie allowed at this area. Oh, bawal guys.
We're going there. Guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Charis. Oh my God. Wow. Pampanis.
Umaga pa lang panis.
Ayun ka na nga tayo.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Mapag.
Oo, mamapag na yun eh.
Pwede ba ditong sumigaw?
May camera dito.
Di ba kapag may problema ka, punta ka daw sa napakataas sa tuktok,
mag-isa ka
tapos sigaw ka. Pwede po ba yung gawin dito?
Bawal kung hindi ka patahin.
Wow.
Biglang binuksan yung pinto, tapos tinulak ka. Uy.
OAB. OAB.
Oh, ayun.
Ano guys? Para sa atin lang din, oh, tingnan nyo, yung mga ilog-ilog. Ano yung mga ilog-ilog?
So nice.
mas maganda sa Singapore? Jamdith.
Ganda.
Where are you?
We're here in
Genting, Highlands.
Genting.
Genting, Genting.
We're going up
To the top.
to the top.
Pwede kong ilipat ng camera doon sa
Yeah,
video
sure.
ko.
We're
Okay.
going to the top. Yeah, there. Over there.
Top of the world.
I'm on the top of the world looking. So guys, ito yung view natin.
Tingnan mo, ang ganda pala pag tingnan mo sa likod.
Hindi po namin ito naranasan sa Singapore kasi pinili naming mamalengke.
No, ginulang lang tayo guys sa oras. It's not about the...
Wow.
Wow, hindi ko na alam susunod.
Huwag mo na ipilit. Tagalog ko na lang.
Okay. So, ano masasabi niyo guys?
We're so happy. We're so happy that we're here. And yeah, we're so blessed together.
Kiss.
Joke. Yan. Kita mo ate.
Wala mafog. Mafog guys.
Mafog.
Walang yung picture.
Wow! Yan, sobrang ganda guys. Okay? Stick. Buti na lang nilabanan natin yung tamad at lamig kanina. Tamag, lamig at antok.
Ganda.
Worth it po. Worth it. Etong aming ano.
Pagising ng maaga.
Pagising ng maaga. Wow. 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 Wowers. Look here, baby.
没有差不多吧？你没看海，这个看路的。
哇，这个，这边不是全部东西都贵贵吗？sobrang ganda po. 我记得这边有吃个水果。Dito, grabe, be. Grabe.
Super ganda.
Super.
一起啊，一起。还要搬，还要铺
We're in Malaysia guys.
Yeah, we're here in Malaysia.
Dito ka sa
Malapit na po kami bumaba.
我忘记 Disneyland 说那个轮不是那个玩。
这个啦，这个我最不敢玩的，我这个是怎么样玩？
直接就过，而且还酷。
对，
真的。那我一定我还有，叫我松松点。
哇，圣诞老人，Hello。
也是好像这两边。
Feeling ko mas marami pa ditong rides. Hindi lang tong Sky Adventure.
等一下来 renovation。
看都不需要 VIP，不有人。
But it looks like burn. No?
It's a bird, it's a plane.
Burn.
Where?
Burn. Yun doon.
Guys, ang ganda ng
哎，反正你开了，
Grabe, sobrang ganda po. Worth it.
门开了，
Let's go。
我们去买条鞋，然后我们再去送机了，看到没有？
Bilis lang to guys.
Grabe ba? Pasok na po kami ulit ng mall, guys. Saan tayo? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi, sir. Sir, where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
Singapore. Oh, wow. Are you a Singapore? Oh, you're a Singaporean.
No. Actually,
Oh, you're a Filipino. Wow. Nice to meet you. I'm so lucky to meet you. I am Sandra.
Sandra?
Yeah.
Sandra?
Sandra Padini. Oh, ganda ba eh.
Alin?
Yung dress.
Ay, hindi naman Tagalog na.
Ano? Oh, sorry. I was just carried away. Sim. Tapos na po namin mag-lunch. Paalis na po kami. Papunta na kami sa aming next destination. Medyo low-bat na guys. Medyo low-bat na. Yan po. Kami po mismo ang low-bat. Mag-charge lang po kami habang sa biyahe. Where are we going?
Batok.
Batok. We're going to the Batok Cave.
Sa Riconada yan. Ay, mali. Ito pala sa Malaysia.
Dito sa Malaysia. Mali pala na. Ganda po guys. Medyo foggy lang. Huli ka.